Anyway, I'm waiting on the oil, filter, and the battery. Oh, look, I found another quarter. I will show you what all I dug out. I have got to get the old gas out of it. As near as I could tell, it's been sitting for about 7 years, and maybe moved around just a little bit, but there seems to be like half a tank of gas in it, and it is bad, I believe. So, and I also got tires I'm waiting on, because I got to get some tires on it so we can see if it even goes into gear and runs. I mean, drives. Well, here it is. Here's the haul that I promised you. I'd show you what I got out of here, but I'm not sure what all I got out of here. So I got my wife, Connie, and she's going to help me with this, but if I don't know exactly, I'll ask her a question. But to me, that looks serious right there. That is a connector off the engine. Don't know where it goes. I may never get the engine running. These are battery terminal covers for the new battery. That I have no idea. It's a broken piece. Might find out where that goes. This looks like another trim piece, maybe come off of the front of the car somewhere. That is, I don't know, boat, hairband, booties. Those are flowers. This was what was hung on the rear view mirror. This here, it's a purse, I guess. Is a wallet. Okay, it's a wallet. It looks like it can go around your neck.
Yep.
What, a flash drive can go around your neck. This is an ID badge. We won't go into that. What is
mascara.
It? Mascara. And
that's another makeup thing. I'm not quite sure what it is because I didn't look real
and
close. Two pins.
Couple pins. What is this?
That's just a little gem.
Gem.
For
She likes Jack and she likes art. Okay, this here was clipped on the visor. I thought it was a garage door opener. It's a Verizon Telematics. I believe it's like maybe an OnStar type of thing. That's a cell phone case. Even though that an OtterBox, huh?
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, it's an OtterBox. OtterBox. Okay. Earbuds. Glasses. And they look like a woman's glasses. What do you think? Okay. What do we got here? How much change we got?
We have $2.75 in quarters, and we have $1 in dimes, 20 cents in nickels, and we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28 in pennies. So we have 1, 2, 3.
Somewhere over $4 and change.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little over 4.
Okay, going down here. Oh, yeah, we remember this. A pair of pliers and another pair of pliers and a tire thingy and a couple different pluggy-ins for cell phones, maybe.
Transfer.
And a tire cap. I have no idea what this key goes to. Looks like a key for skates. A couple lozenges, some Tums. Moving on to some other stuff. We got
bobby pins.
Bobby pins and what's this, a keychain?
That's a keychain.
Okay.
Run with the pack, it says.
Run with the pack.
Yeah. On it.
Forks, spoons. All right. Stacy's mix. Got music of some sort. Good news. I don't know. I can't read that.
Let's see. The music of Rollo Dilworth, Volume 1.
Okay. Some more jazz CD and a Redbox DVD that somebody paid dearly for because it was in here. And
for years.
What was the name of this one?
Oh, that was, let me look at, the Lego Ninja movie.
Well, it don't have John Wayne in it, so I'm not going to watch it. Anyway, wahoo, here's the haul, people. A little over $4 and change. That'll spend anywhere. The rest of this stuff, I don't know, may come in handy, especially this. I don't know. So, what I have to do, put this all away and get rid of some of this trash. And I believe we've got it all out of here. This is the haul from this car. I thought it would be more than this, but the pliers that made up more than what I thought, plus the change. I'm real happy with that. So with that said, I need to get the bad gas out of this car. I believe it's been sitting on and off for 7 years with no miles, and I got to see if I can get the gas out. So I'm going to go up front and see if I can do that. This is your fuel pump relay, and right next to it is your fuel pump fuse. Okay, I've got my fuel draining into here. I used a relay with a switch on it. This relay is just an on and off relay. I bought these on Amazon. I'll put the link in my description. Tools that I use. And I'm going to continue on and off here till I get the fuel drained out of the tank. And I'll go look at the fuel gauge from time to time in the car. Okay, I put 2.5 gallons in it, and the gas gauge is working. It was below 0, I just wasn't sure. So, and I also put some chemical fuel treatment in it. I am not going to name the brand, but here we go. Key, brake light, here we go, cranking time. Yeah. Let's try it again. Oh, it's kind of scary. If it don't run, I can't drive it. Give it a minute. It's not looking good, people. I'm going to go and switch relays just to see if it might be that. Well, I spent most of the day researching what I thought could be wrong with this, why it won't start. I've put fresh gas in it, I've put fuel system cleaner in it, drained the old gas out, and all that went pretty well. Anyway, here's the deal. It's not going to start. Let me show you something. This little part right here that you saw earlier in this video. This thing, actually, the cable to this is probably 18 inches long and it's missing. There's little nubs of this wire coming out from the wire loom at the bottom of the engine, and it goes to, you guessed it probably, the map sensor. So I ordered another part and a cable like this, or the end, and I'm going to have to cut the wires, find them, solder them, and maybe even add links to them. I don't know, most likely. But the problem is, these cars, I did some research, and they're supposed to run this HHR with this sensor disconnected. So you know where that leaves me. It leaves me with a bunch of work and reconnecting the sensor and probably having the same problem. So you can see what I'm going up against. Now, what I thought I might do, and I'm going to do this, like I said, it's gotten hot out here and you can only work on these things early in the morning or late in the evening. So I'm about spent by the time the evening part comes around. But I've got a scanner, and I'm going to put my scanner on it and see what kind of error codes I come up with, because I think there's another issue besides this map sensor. In any case, excuse me, I've got that vehicle right there, That just came in. And there's another one that you can't see. No, you can't see it from here. Anyway, it came in. These things are coming in like back to back. I didn't expect them to do that, but I have to, that thing's got issues, believe me. It was towed in there. It's in the way. So I've got things to get out of the way, and I've got to get back on this, but like I said, I've ordered this part and I'm waiting on it. In the meantime, I'm going to scan this car, and I don't have the key in it right now, but they did have a check engine light, so I can see what kind of codes it's throwing and maybe see what's going on with it. Because it seems to crank pretty nice. It just dies the minute I turn loose the key. So you can look that up, and if you got any suggestions, leave them down there in the comments, and I'll read those, and maybe I'll come up with another answer. It'd be nice. But in the meantime, I'm going to have to let you go on this video. I hate to do it. I really didn't want to do it. I wanted to end this video with it running because I've got tires I'm putting on this. The tires are in. I'm trying to put them on, and I wanted to drive it. But, you know, that's my channel name. I renamed it, as you probably know. Can they drive? Well, obviously, they can't drive. No, this one can't drive, that one can't drive, and the one that came in. It might. It might. I don't know. So, what you might want to do is get it, subscribe. I know I'm begging for subscriptions like it sounds like, but subscribe so you'll know when the video comes out on this. I'm sorry to shake the camera like that. Anyway, when the video comes out on this, of what I did to it, I should have it running by then, because I'm not going to put the video up till I get it running. So I'm going to be working on it, because this is in the way too. So if you subscribe, you'll know when the video comes out, and if you give me a thumbs up, not too hard to do, it's right down there, and a comment, because you can help me out with this if you want to, a little bit. I don't get a lot of comments, so I can probably answer a few of them pretty quickly. So do that if you can, and stay tuned, I guess I'll say, because this has turned out to be a little bit more than what I thought. Oh, and at the same time, the next video, I'll tell you what I paid for this. You won't believe what I paid for this. I'm starting to wonder myself why I paid what I paid for this, because it did have low miles. I mean, it still does. I close the door, it's 111,900 and something. You know, it's still a baby. This thing's just hatched. Okay. Till the next video, guys. Hope you stay well, car repairs go well, and bye for now. Maybe they left me these pliers for a reason, knowing I was going to need them.